Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Vivo phone runs Funtouch OS 15 so features match. That prevents surprises. Once confirmed, unlock the device and go straight to Settings, then Control Center and Status Bar. You enable Edit mode to allow rearrangement. This is essential because the system locks layout changes by default. Make sure to allow any permission prompts. They let the control center save your custom layout. Now you're ready to modify. You'll now change the actual layout and functionality. Tap Edit or Customize to reveal the toggle grid. This shows active and available shortcuts. Drag icons to reorder them for faster access. Place frequently used toggles on the top row so you save time. If you need more toggles, pull from the available list and drop them into the grid. Make sure to long press any toggle to access advanced settings or hold and drag to remove it from the active area. Finish by saving changes and immediately swiping down to preview the control center so you confirm layout and behavior. If something looks wrong, use Restore Defaults to reset the layout and start again. This clears conflicting customizations. Once done, make sure to test each toggle to verify functionality. If toggles fail to respond or settings don't persist, reboot the phone and retry the edit. This clears cached settings and typically resolves persistence or responsiveness issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.